Many rental property issues don't start as major problems. They start as small issues that go unnoticed. Professional inspections are one of the most effective ways to protect your investment and prevent those small issues from becoming costly repairs. At Stokley Properties, inspections are a proactive tool, not a formality. They help us identify maintenance concerns early, confirm tenant compliance, and ensure the property is being cared for properly. Move-in inspections establish a clear baseline of the property's condition. This documentation protects owners by clearly showing what existed before a tenant took possession. Routine inspections during the tenancy allow us to spot leaks, unauthorized occupants, unreported damage, or maintenance issues before they escalate. Inspections also play a critical role at move-out. A thorough inspection helps determine what falls under normal wear and tear versus tenant-caused damage, ensuring security deposits are handled fairly and in compliance with the law. Beyond damage prevention, inspections support long-term asset preservation. Catching issues early helps extend the life of major systems, reduces emergency repairs, and protects property value over time. Most importantly, professional inspections remove emotion and uncertainty. Decisions are based on documentation, photos, and objective standards, not assumptions or disputes. At Stokley Properties, our inspection process is structured, consistent, and designed to protect both the property and the owner. If you want fewer surprises, lower long-term costs, and stronger protection for your investment, professional inspections aren't optional, they're essential. Stokley Properties, proactive management that protects what you own.